Hello everyone. Today we discuss about marketing analytics. So introduction to marketing analytics. Its definition. Marketing analytics is the study of data to evaluate the performance of a marketing activity by applying technology and analytical processes to marketing related data. Businesses can understand what drives consumer action, refine their marketing campaigns, and optimum their return on investment also. Today, marketing analytics is a common practice at most businesses. In fact, more than 80% of marketers say most of their decisions today are data driven. The abundance of data combined with the accessibility of powerful analytics tools has made it possible for marketing team to evaluate every aspects of their digital marketing campaign, giving businesses what is commonly described as a 360-degree view of the customer. What can organizations do with marketing analytics? So, with analytics, organizations can answer questions like these: how are our marketing activities performance today? How about in the long run? What can we do to improve them? How do our marketing activities compare with our competitors? Where are they spending their marketing dollars? Are they using channels that we are not using? What should we do next? Are our marketing resources properly allocated? Are we devoting time and money to the right channel? How should we prioritize our investments over a certain time period? Marketing analytics requires more than just flashy tools. Marketing team need a strategy that pulls all their data in perspective. So, need of marketing analytics or analytics using data to bolster marketing decisions allows businesses to eliminate the guesswork or over reliance on uh, evidence and helps marketing teams make informed business decisions and improve customer relationship management. Here are some benefits that I described right now. Get a complete view of all marketing activities. Sometimes it can be hard to see the full picture across all marketing channels, such as paid digital ads, email, social media, and web data helps you track these components, understanding how they work independently and collectively. Gain a better understanding of our or of your customer. Data can provide actionable answer about customer base, including who they are, what actions they commonly take, what their pain point tend to be, and more data can help understand what improvements a team can make to improve their experience. Now, the importance of marketing analytics. First, refine your marketing energy. Data tells what works and why. It helps in refining marketing strategy in real time, replicating certain efforts became they are performing well and eliminating those that are under delivering. Product or predict the success of future marketing campaigns. With prediction or predictive scoring based on past marketing campaign, data can often predict how customers will respond to future campaigns and overall advertising and marketing efforts. Scope of marketing analytics with examples. Marketing analysis is a powerful tool that can help organizing or organizations make good decisions. But it's not magic. Here are some of the best examples of marketing analytics application. Use of marketing analytics or analytics to improve website. Amazon has long been a leader in marketing analytics, using its data driven approach to continue innovating its website and product offering. For example, they have used data from their customers to help them improve their search functionally, include personalizing results based on each user's browsing history. This personalized experience helps visitors find what they are looking for faster and more efficiently, which keep them returning to Amazon. Using marketing analytics to make content recommendation. Netflix is another company that extensively uses marketing analytics to create content and recommendations more likely to appeal to each viewer's taste. They collect data about what people watch and don't watch every month and use this information to inform their recommendations algorithmically or algorithmically. Customer insights. Walmart has an enormous amount of data about its customer shopping habits. It knows where they live when they shop there, how much money they spend at the store each year, and much more. This information allows Walmart to target specific customers with coupons or other offers that appeal directly to them. Now, marketing analytics versus marketing research. Marketing research and marketing analytics are two crucial components of marketing that aid in customer understanding and decision making also. But there are some differences between the two for any marketing strategies to be effective. Marketing analytics and marketing research are crucial elements. Although they are similar, their approaches, methodologies, and goals are very different. Many different sources, including website traffic, social media engagement, and sales data, can provide the information. Marketing analytics can be used to track the effectiveness of marketing campaign, spot trends, and improve marketing tactics also. By examining website traffic, social media engagement, and email open rates, for example, marketing analytics can be used to assess the success of an campaign or pinpoint areas where improvement is possible. Key characteristics of marketing analytics. Data driven approach. Marketing analytics is based on gathering and analyzing information from a variety of sources, including customer interactions, web analytics, social media metrics, and sales figures. Businesses can optimize their marketing campaigns and strategy by using this data driven approach to identify patterns and trends. Quantitative analysis. Marketing analytics primarily concentrates on quantitative data using statistical techniques and models to glean insights, analyzing metrics like conversion rates, customer lifetime value, return on investment, that is ROI, and market share is part of the process. These metrics assist companies companies in assessing the success of their marketing initiatives and pinpointing areas for development. Now, predictive capabilities. Marketing analytics uses predictive modeling methods to project futures results based on historical data. Businesses can use data to predict customer behavior, market demand, and campaign performance by spotting patterns and trends. This enables companies to foresee market trends and take proactive action. Market research is the procedure of gathering and examining data about a market in a order to comprehend the needs and desires of consumers. Numerous sources, including surgery or surveys, interviews, and focus groups, can be used to gather these data. Market research can be used to find new market opportunities, create new goods or services, and focus advertising campaign. For instance, market research can be used to define or determine